Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change Steam storage. Many players encounter situations where their primary drive runs low on space, necessitating a move to a secondary, larger drive or a faster solid-state drive. To begin, please open your Steam client. Ensure you are logged in and the application has finished any background updates. This process is straightforward, allowing you to manage your extensive game library effectively and optimize your storage use across different drives. Next, let's create a new Steam library folder on your desired drive. Click the Steam menu in the upper left corner of the client, then select Settings. From the left-hand navigation, choose Downloads. On the Downloads screen, find and click the Steam Library Folders button. This will open the Storage Manager window, displaying all current Steam library locations. Here, you will see an option to add a new folder to organize your games more efficiently. Now, let's move an existing game to your new library folder. Within the Storage Manager, select the drive where the game you want to move is currently installed. A list of all games on that drive will appear. Simply check the box next to the specific game you wish to relocate. Then, click the Move button located at the bottom of the window. A small pop-up will ask you to select the destination, choose your new library folder, and the transfer will commence quickly, usually within a few minutes, for a typical game of 40 gigabytes. To simplify future game installations, you can set your new library folder as the default location. Reopen the Storage Manager as you did before. Locate the library folder on the drive you want to be your primary installation spot. Click the small 3 dots icon next to that specific library folder. From the options that appear, choose Set as Default. This action ensures that all new games you purchase or download will automatically install to this preferred drive, saving you from manual selection each time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.